Hi everybody, welcome to my short introduction on Python. Today I'm going to have a look at another predefined function. This time we're going to have a look at the round function in order to narrow down the number of decimal places in a decimal number. In order to do that, I'm going to set up a temperature program. It's going to ask the user for an input for each day of the week for the temperature. It's going to work out an average calculation of the temperature, and then it's going to be able to display that and round it to 2 decimal places. As you can see, I've got everything all set up for you. It's ready to go using the comments, and we're just going to start by entering in the total. So first of all, we're setting the total to 0, which we'll utilise within our program, and then I'm going to put in a fixed loop for efficiency for each day of the week. So we can do it 7 times. Okay, 1 to 8. And within that, we'll print the statement, enter the temperature for day. And then we're just going to add in X at the end of that, just so we print out for day 1, for day 2, for day 3, and so on and so forth. And then just make sure that we set ourselves a variable. Because it's an integer we're going to be using, we'll pop that in there as well, and then we'll pop in our input to go along with that. Okay. After that, we'll just need to make sure that we put in a total. So I'm just going to put total equals total plus temp. And just so allows us for when we do our average that we can actually create our average off of that particular function, of the formula, sorry. All right, so then let's get the average. So average will equal our total and divide that by 7. And then lastly is to print out what we've got here. So average temperature is, and then we'll put in a comma, round average. Okay, and the structure for this is just simply putting in the round function, bracket, average for the actual variable that we're wanting to round, and the number of decimal places we want. So this time we're just going to make it 2. That could easily be 0 or 1 or 3, whatever you fancy, but 2 decimal places is fairly common in that side of things. All right, so if we run that, hopefully we don't have any issues, but let's see. Oh, that would help if I actually close off my bracket. Let's run. Let's save. Okay, so please enter the temperature for day 1. So I'll put 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay, so then where we have the average temperature is 11.14. So we've taken that average total, and rather than having lots and lots of decimal places, we've managed to round that down using the round function that's there. Give that a try and see how you get on.